What I want to share with you in this video is the most powerful and strongest antioxidant you could ever find in nature. And can you have a guess on what that is? Well, that is astaxanthin. Astaxanthin is a red pigment that belongs to a group of compounds called carotenoid. And oftentimes, astaxanthin is called the king of carotenoid. There are some few interesting facts about astaxanthin which I think you must know. Astaxanthin has been found to be 6,000 times more powerful than vitamin C, 770 times more active than coenzyme Q10, 100 times more potent than vitamin E, and 5 times more powerful than beta-carotene in scavenging free radicals. So this means that by taking astaxanthin, they are going to help neutralize destructive free radicals from our body through electron transfer process. The other interesting thing about astaxanthin is that it is very anti-aging. One of the main reasons we age is because of high levels of oxidative stress, particularly when it damages the mitochondria. Of all cells of our body, except the red blood cells, actually contains the mitochondria, which is often called the powerhouse of the cells. It is where energy are being produced. It is where substrates are being converted into ATP, which is the energy currency of the cells. The mitochondria actually has its own DNA. But the problem arises when oxidative stress starts destroying this mitochondria, and then we have this effect of aging. We have low energy level, we have muscle weakness, our skin starts to age, and many other aging processes in the body start taking place. But astaxanthin steps in as a protector of mitochondria, as a mitochondrial protector, preserving the integrity of mitochondria and also helping you maintain vitality and increase your energy level and reduce those side effects of aging. So astaxanthin is very powerful in scavenging free radicals, which can destroy the mitochondria and result in aging process. So astaxanthin is very good for your body. Now, the other interesting thing about astaxanthin is its ability to cross through the blood-brain barrier and blood-retinal barrier, which means that astaxanthin can enter your brain, it can also enter your eyes and reduce oxidative stress, thereby improving your cognitive function, boosting your brain function, and also make your eyes look more sharper even as you age. Now, astaxanthin also increases your muscle endurance. That is because astaxanthin decreases the production of lactic acid. And how does astaxanthin does this? Well, have you ever noticed that when you are in a gym, it will get to a point where you get tired of lifting weight? That is because of increased lactic acid production in your body. So when you are burning carbohydrate for energy, your body actually produces large amount of lactic acid, which over time is going to accumulate in your muscle and result in muscle fatigue. But the thing is that when you are taking astaxanthin is going to improve your mitochondrial function, it's going to improve more blood flow to your muscle, and more importantly, astaxanthin actually favors the breakdown of fat for energy during strenuous activity. So by taking astaxanthin, that is going to result in less production of lactic acid, and also that means less fatigue during strenuous exercise. So astaxanthin is very important in increasing your athletic performances and endurance. Now, the other interesting benefit of astaxanthin is its ability to act as an anti-cancer. It can help reduce free radicals, it can help reduce inflammation. All of this can actually result in lipid peroxidation, which can result in cancer. So by taking astaxanthin, that is going to help prevent all of this problem. And the other interesting thing about astaxanthin is its ability to protect your skin against UV rays, and by doing that, that can also help prevent skin cancer. Now, astaxanthin also helps improve your immune function. It helps protect your DNA, it helps reduce inflammation, it helps improve your immune response. It's going to equip your body in such a way that it better eliminate bacteria and viruses from your body. So astaxanthin actually has a lot of amazing benefits when you are taking it. Astaxanthin is also very effective in reducing inflammation and inflammatory related issues like arthritis and joint pain. And that is because astaxanthin is very anti-inflammatory and very antioxidant. Taking astaxanthin can actually help protect those cells in your joint against oxidation and free radicals. And by doing that, that is going to preserve the integrity of your joint, and that can help reduce joint pain and all of those symptoms associated with joint pain. All right, now there are a couple of foods where you can get this astaxanthin, but one of the greatest sources of astaxanthin is actually krill or krill oil. You can also get it in shrimp, you can get it in trout, you can get it in crayfish, you can get it in salmon. But one of the best way I would actually recommend you get astaxanthin is actually by taking krill oil. I've actually made a video where I talked about how to take krill oil, the recent amazing health benefit of krill oil. Definitely check out this video.